our 72nd Republic Day virtually. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on January 26. This day is significant as it observes the enforcement of the Constitution of India, which declare India as a sovereign, democratic and republic country. Therefore, I, Sneha Bangar, welcome you all the sisters, teachers, students and parents for this online celebration of 72nd Republic Day. Let us start our program with a prayer dance to invoke God's blessings on all the people of our country.
Thank you, friends. You really made us to get God's blessings. Republic Day is celebrated with a great enthusiasm and pride across India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect. It marks the day when India got truly independent and attained the historic Purna Swaraj. Now to know more about this historic day, I would like to call my friend Satyam and Srishti.
Good morning, dear parents, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Satyam Medkar,
And myself, Srishti Shinde.
wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today, we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. This day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. India celebrates Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1950 because on this day, India was declared as Republic country as well as Constitution of India came into force. After the independence of long year of struggle, India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 and 2.5 years later it became Democratic Republic. Republic Day in India has great importance in history as it tells about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters.
Republic means the supreme power. Citizen living in a republic nation enjoy the rights to elect their representative. At the same time, our constitution ensures the fundamental rights to every citizen as right to equality, freedom, religion, culture, education, privacy, etc. But the question arises, do we really have these rights in our society? The discrimination between a girl and a boy is still prevalent. Education is only for the rich section of the society. The poor section is ruled out.
Corruption became the major obstacle in the development of the country. Unity in diversity is in question as people are fighting for on the ground of religion. Yes, it's high time we as a citizen of free democratic nation has the responsibility to stick central tenets of our democracy, liberty, justice, fraternity, equality and work in the progress of the country.
We should keep in mind the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi to give full justice to our constitutional ideals. We change the change you wish to see in the world. It is only possible when a person believes in self-transformation before changing the world. We, the prime moods of the Republic with us, the people of the India, rest the real power to decide their collective future. Let us give this Republic Day a new dimension and move to bring progress in peace and harmony in the society. Thank you.
Thank you, friend. It was really meaningful. Thousands saved their lives so that our country breathed this day. We can never forget their sacrifices. They fought hard for our country and contributed in making India one of the largest countries in the world. In honor of these Indian leaders, our tiny tots are coming with their patriotic performance.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Samartha Suniva. I am Subhash Chandra Bose, the great freedom fighter of our country. Azad in the Sena, I am founder. The people call me Netaji. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. कदम कदम बढ़ा, give me blood. कदम कदम बढ़ा आजा, खुशी के दिन का आजा. I salute freedom fighter. Everyone, I am Lal Bahadur Shastri. A real friend tells you not to give up on your dream. Always focus on today. Don't let past happen yesterday stop you from achieving the dreams of your today. Encourage yourself, believe in yourself, and love yourself. Never doubt who you are. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan is my famous slogan. I was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda. I was second Prime Minister of India. I promoted green revolution and white revolution in India to increase the production of food grain and milk. We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only ourselves but for our people all over the world. We should fight our biggest enemy, poverty and unemployment. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind. Thank you. Happy Republic Day. God bless you all. Hello everyone, good morning, God bless you. My name is Swarup Janan Magar. I am Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I am economist in modern India. I am Independence India, the first law. Justice Minister, I am champion of human rights and social justice. Education is very important because I am saying education is like milk of tigers. Those who will drink, he cannot live without roaring. जो पितो तो गुरगुर केल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Learn to live in this world with self-respect. I repeat, religion is for man and not man for religion. Jai Hind, Jai morning. My name is Utkarsh Gade. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vice Prime Minister of Independent India. I go the famous local Arame, Hello children. Children also know me. Call me Chacha Nehru. At that time, I am birthday 14 November and Children's Day. And later I joined the country freedom movement with Mahatma Gandhi and fight for India against the BC rapes. I have written many famous books, The Discovery of India and India's freedom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today I am Indira Gandhi. My mother name is Kamala Nehru. My father name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. My father was the first Prime Minister of the India and I am the first woman Prime Minister of the India. There is not love where there is no feel. I love my country. When I die, at the service of nation, I will be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will contribute on the growth of the nation and make it strong. Thank you. Happy Republic Day.
Meaningful speech. You really made us to know the real importance of this day. India is a place unique in space, bedded with the pulse of unity, leaded in the oneness of diversity, paying the way to integrity and serving as an epitome of unity in diversity. To elaborate unity in diversity of India, our primary students are coming with their dance performance.
What an incredible performance! दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। तो आज इस गणतंत्र दिवस के सही मायनों को जानने के लिए मैं बुलाती हूँ रसप्रीत को।
सम्मान्य सेक्रेटरी सिस्टर निर्मला जोसेफिन, आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सिस्टर बास्पिन, सिस्टर्स, अध्यापकगण, हमारे अभिभावक तथा मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को सेक्रेटरी परिवार की ओर से आज के इस राष्ट्रीय पर्व गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। शहीदों का सपना जब सच हुआ, शहीदों का सपना जब सच हुआ, हिंदुस्तान तब आजाद हुआ, हिंदुस्तान तब आजाद हुआ। आओ सलाम करें उन वीरों को, आओ सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी वजह से हमारा भारत आजाद हुआ, हमारा भारत आजाद हुआ। जी हाँ, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि आज 26 जनवरी है और इस वर्ष 2021 में हम 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं। मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, क्या आपको गणतंत्र इस शब्द का अर्थ पता है? गण का अर्थ है पूरी जनता और तंत्र का अर्थ है प्रणाली, अर्थात जनता द्वारा नियंत्रित प्रणाली। देश का जो उत्तराधिकारी होता है वो जनता द्वारा, जनता के लिए चुना जाता है। आजादी की लंबी लड़ाई और लाखों कुर्बानियों के बाद हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजाद हुआ, लेकिन देश के लोगों को जो सही मायने में आजादी मिली वो भारतीय संविधान में दिए गए मौलिक अधिकारों के रूप में 26 जनवरी 1950 को। इसका भी एक कारण है, भारत देश का पहला स्वतंत्रता दिवस 26 जनवरी 1930 को मनाया गया। इसी के आधार पर गणतंत्र दिवस की तिथि 26 जनवरी रखी गई। 26 जनवरी हमारे सेनानियों को याद करने का अवसर है। देश के लिए उनके समर्पण को हम कभी भूल नहीं सकते। उनके कारण आज हम भारत देश में आराम से जीवन यापन कर रहे हैं। लेकिन आजादी के 72 वर्षों बाद भी हमारा देश आतंकवाद, भ्रष्टाचार, हिंसाचार जैसी अनेक समस्याओं से लड़ रहा है। मेरे दोस्तों, अब समय आ गया है कि एक बार फिर से हमें एक साथ मिलकर हमारे देश से इन बुराइयों को निकाल फेंकना होगा। हमें हमारे भारत देश से गरीबी, बेरोजगारी, स्त्री अत्याचार, मारपीट, जात पात जैसे समस्याओं का हल निकालना होगा। हमारे देश के महान मानवों जैसे कि डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जैसे अनेक विभूतियों ने जो हमारे भारत देश के प्रति सपना देखा था, अब उसे वास्तविक रूप में साकार करना होगा। हमें हमारे भारत के देश को सफल, विकसित और स्वच्छ देश बनाना होगा। ना कि सिर्फ देश हमें बल्कि पूरे विश्व में प्रेम, मानवता, भाईचारा और शांति स्थापित करनी होगी। हमें हमारे देश की एकता और अखंडता की रक्षा करनी होगी। हमें हमारे देश को विश्व में महान देश बनाने के लिए हमारा योगदान अवश्य देना होगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Wow, what a meaningful speech. You really made us to know the real importance of this day. A true patriot believes that even if he dies in the service of his nation, he will be proud of it. Every drop of his blood will be contribute to the growth of his nation. And to make it strong and dynamic and to have this expression of a patriot, our KG kids are coming with their dance performance.
कदम बढ़ाए जा, उसी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम बढ़ाए जा, उसी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, कदम बढ़ाए जा। बढ़ने से फिर भी तू न डर, आकाश तक के सजोटे वतन बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा। तेरी हिम्मत बढ़ती रहे, खुदा तेरी सुनता रहे, जो सामने तेरे पड़े तू खाक में मिलाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
Wow, what an amazing dance performance by our KG kids. Now it's time to end this program. Once again, wishing you all a happy Republic Day.